Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Technical Rajput Below. I hope guys you're very well. So today I'm telling about the information regarding the Cognizant onboarding news. Cognizant had just announced the date of regarding the joining of date. There is a 2 date joining regarding the information from the company side. They have just sent the mail to the candidate who received the mail. They have just sent me the regarding the information on the basis of this. I have made the video information new joining date announced. There is a information guys onboarding joining date and last date to do so. So there is a last date. Before the last date you have to do all the instructions just I am giving in this information in this video. So I hope guys you have subscribed my channel Technical Rajput blog and press the bell icon for notification. Let's go to the guys video information. This is the mail from the company side. Have received the many candidate that BJB background verification validation will be the mark successful only when the mandatory document meet the eligibility criteria mentioned in the offer letter and upon the successful completion of BJB and pre-joining formalities. You will be receive a notification email with the link of a download on onboarding phase 2 days before the date of joining as a full-time employment. Refer below the table more detail and ensure the report in person as the Cognizant office address provided on the joining date along with the printed copy of onboarding pass. Please stay tuned to regularly updated by the Vansi portal. There is a date of joining of 22nd June 2023. Reporting location will be the Bangalore guys. Cognizant office address Technology Solution Private Limited, Manyata Embassy Business Park Mahogany, Havel Outer Ring, Ramchar, Bangalore, like that guys. So guys, you have the all the validation of the background verification successfully of the mandatory document eligibility criteria mentioned in the offer letter. If your eligibility criteria are successfully mentioned or a document in an offer letter, then you will be the information regarding the completion of a BJB and pre-joining formality on the 22nd June in the Bangalore. So guys, this is the mail from the company side has received the candidate for the joining formalities have to completed. There is another date of joining like 23rd May of 2023. Reporting location will be the Hyderabad. So guys, that the another location in a Bangalore on a 22nd of the June, and this is the 23rd of May in a Hyderabad. There is a location in a Bangalore. This is the location of the Hyderabad. Hyderabad, there is a the same information will be received from the company side like that. You have all the background verification formalities that the eligibility criteria has been passed from your side. Then the other formalities will be completed by the company side, and all the information that's shared in a mail also there before the joining date, like 2 to 3 days. All the companies just send the onboarding date, and they just all the formalities you have to complete it before the joining date, just before the 2 and 3 days. So you have to complete in an email that have sent to there is a link and all the survey like that. You have to want to submit all the documentation and the like that formalities you have to complete it within a 2 to 3 days. If you just not completed in a 2 to 3 days, then it will be the offer letter will be the cancel. This is the date of onboarding will be valid only if you completed the above mentioned mandatory step just before onboarding. That I have tell you about that. Onboarding pass is mandatory document for you before reporting to the application. So guys, there will be the onboarding pass will be the mandatory document for you before joining the location of a date of joining. You will be have to report a joining location with a printed copy of onboarding pass to the permitted to getting onboarded. So guys, this is the information before joining or before onboarding. You have to just taking the printed copy of your the boarding pass and the mandatory about the onboarding pass. You have to date of joining that mentioned in a block letter. There will be the block letter mentioned in that about the date of joining. So then it will be the entry from your company side, from your company office for the offline physically onboarding update. So guys, this is the 2 mail have received from the company side like the 23rd of the May and 22nd of the June. If you get the another mail, then you say comment on my comment section, and if I get the further information regarding the onboarding update, then I will share with you all the information like having the another date or another onboarding update. If you want to get the information from the other company like that, you can go visit in my playlist where you can all the information about the Wipro, Emphasis, and like that having the Infosys onboarding and background verification, and like having the cell. And there is a one playlist also where you get the information about the salary after the 3 year 2 year experience and all the MNC company. If you are switch the company in the last 2 to 3 days, what will be the salary will be on another company. There will be an increment or there will be hike in a salary in a given year you are working for last 10 to 5 years or like that more than. So guys, there is an information you can visit on my playlist, and please guys hit the bell icon for more notification. If you get information of the Cognizant, Capgemini, LTM and Genser, then I will be further information shared with you through the my videos. I think guys you will subscribe my channel or not, but please like the videos and share with your friend. Thank you guys for watching this video, and Jai Jawan, Jai Kisan.